everybody, Isabel here. Thanks for watching. Today I'm coming to you from the Koch Bridge, which is mostly known as the 59th Street Bridge that connects Midtown Manhattan to Long Island City, Queens. You can cross the bridge by foot, car, or bicycle. The bridge is 1.4 miles long. The Koch Bridge is very iconic and seen in many shows and movies. One of my favorite memories is seeing it in Home Alone 2. One very cool feature about walking this bridge is seeing Roosevelt Island. If you've never been to Roosevelt Island, I will leave a link in the description below of my visit there. You can get here by tram or subway. There are a ton of bicyclists on this path. They do have a side for bicyclists and a side for pedestrians. Just be careful. If you enjoy videos about traveling and food, don't forget to like and subscribe. I upload videos every Thursday. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, everybody. Bye.